How to enable or disable press side button for Siri on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Siri and search. Okay, you can tap this. Here in Siri and search, and Ask Siri section, you can see here the press side button for Siri. And the press side button for Siri is enable. To disable this, you'll have to do is tap the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up below are show. And tap the turn off Siri. So if you turn off this, the information Siri used to respond to your request is also used for dictation and will remain on Apple service unless dictation is also turned off. So you can turn off or disable the press side button for Siri by tap the turn off Siri button here on pop-up. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully disabled or turn off. And to turn on again, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this press side button for Siri, and the pop-up below are show, and tap the enable Siri. If this enables Siri, send information like your voice input, contacts, and location to Apple to process your request. So tap the enable Siri button to enable or turn on. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled press side button for Siri on iPhone X.